hell, bitch, I think it's time you recognize I'm the type of person that'll eat all of your extra fries. Hungry but I exercise, getting big, I'm next to rise. Yeah, seems I just got up on this elevator. Now all the previous haters are asking me for the favors, but I leave them at the bottom, headed for the top floor. But before I make it there, I got a lot more. When I get there, I'll be careful for those mop floors, cause the janitor's the one with keys to lock doors. I am careful where I step, I don't burn bridges, cause I've learned in this that you gotta earn riches. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. Only dreams are what I'm chasing, it seems that what I'm facing is a scheme that only green is what is seen from expectations. What I need's the best creations, there are no limitations, only limits are the minutes. Counting down your next vacation, my vacation's in my basement. Never take a day off, cause everybody knows it when you put in work it pays off. The trade-off is those who think it's coming at a day's cost. It's gonna be some years before you even start to take off. Breaks off, this rap shit is a game and it's the playoffs. Don't play soft, I gotta slide at every beat like Adolf Hitler. Heading for the clouds and I'm a twister, heating up like a transistor, about to pop up like a blister. Yeah, it's almost impossible to stand the odds against me. I won't stand on, all I do is write my plans out so that they'll not understand how I can reach my goals, expand out. Then I slowly gain exposure and I'll make them awesome fans now. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. Like damn, I need Superman, save my soul from the Luther man. I call up to the dude in command, please help me understand my plan. I can't really read the blueprint, can't find a place in the movement. Everybody seems translucent, I'm taking roads and not choosing them. Thinking life has no purpose, trouble finding a surface. Trying to find my way with no map and no compass. Been walking like some hundreds of miles straight hunting the wild like nothing. But right now I need something to keep myself from suffering. Cover up that wondering, like where the fuck am I going? In the stream that I'm going, I'm trying to find that state of mind. No worry of any kind, at peace with mankind, and statements I can stand behind.
I've been there lower than the tide rolls, with no moon guiding me through nightfall, leaving me lost on a dark road.
I've been there, done that, but I got no time to look back.
I'm trying to find my way back home. 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 Get up now, get up. I'm trying to find my way back home. Be up now, be up. I'm trying to find my way back home. Get up now, get up. I'm trying to find my way back home. Be up now, be up.
Man, I run and I hide on the road to get by. Man, I try to find that state where I'm right. Man, that state where I'm balanced, where I act without doubt. I'm just getting impatient with unfamiliar surroundings. I'm just counting the days that I've been on the road, deviating from the place that we all call home.